This guy ran into the most chill biker ever, because when this guy was just biking on this trail, he ran into this biker with a broken collarbone, and you won't believe his reaction.
You all good, brother? What happened? Did you really? Who are you out here with? You solo? Yeah? You want me to call someone for you? No? You sure? You got a broken collarbone, man. You're gonna walk it off? You want me to help you get your bike up to the top of the trail or what? Yeah, yeah.